Find the reference number for t equals negative 2 pi over 3 and the terminal points that is determined by negative 2 pi over 3. Since the denominator is 3, we know that it has something to do with the point in the first quadrant that has the same denominator, which is t equals pi over 3. This point in the first quadrant has the coordinate x equals 1/2 and y equals root 3 over 2. First, we start at the positive horizontal axis at the point 1, 0, and we travel clockwise. A distance of 2 pi over 3. 2 pi over 3 is not yet 3 pi over 3, which is pi. Going clockwise, half of the unit circle is negative pi. We take negative pi and we cut it into 3 pieces, and so this is negative pi over 3. This is negative 2 pi over 3. The terminal point that is determined by negative 2 pi over 3 is in the third quadrant, and so the reference number is the shortest distance from the terminal point to the negative horizontal axis. Going from 2 pi over 3 to 3 pi over 3, or even negative 2 pi over 3 to negative 3 pi over 3, that is the distance of pi over 3. And so the reference number t bar equals pi over 3. We then go to the first quadrant and use this point in the first quadrant, but since this terminal point is in the third quadrant, x is negative and y is also negative. The point that associates with t equals negative 2 pi over 3 has the coordinate negative 1/2, negative root 3 over 2. Where do we get these numbers from? From the point determined by t equals pi over 3 in the first quadrant. In the first quadrant, both x and y are positive. We use the reference number to reference to whatever t from the first quadrant, but we still need to change the sign accordingly depending on which quadrant the terminal point lies in.